Hello everyone, in today's video I will share a quick tutorial on what makes an AI agent work perfectly or more effectively. So the first thing we need to know is the key difference between an AI agent and an LLM. The AI agents are goal-oriented, non-deterministic, and capable of interacting with their environment. AI agents have tools, retrieval mechanisms, and memory which enable them to perform goal-driven tasks. With these capabilities, they can execute non-deterministic operations, such as reading, writing, using tools, and retrieving information. So, what makes an AI agent work perfectly or effectively as we need? In simple terms, it is all comes down to the prompt. The prompt determines whether an AI agent performs efficiently or not. In other words, the prompt is the key. So, how to write an effective prompt? First, define your goal. Before writing a prompt, you need to be clear about what you want the AI agent to accomplish, what is the objective and the task. Second, understand the tools. Each tool has a specific purpose you need to understand. You need to understand what each tool does, how it works, what inputs it takes, what outputs it returns. Without an effective prompt, we cannot achieve the desired results. Let's take an example. This is Reddit AI agent equipped with 5 tools that interact with Reddit API. We choose Google Generative AI Gemini to Flash model because of its large context window. After setting the prompt, we obtain the following results. First, trending topics tool. Retrieve trending topics from Reddit. Second, get posts with comments. Third, page posts. Fourth, search subreddit. And 5, search posts in subreddit. Now, after providing an effective prompt, the AI agent returned precious and relevant results. For instance, when giving the input, find AI says ideas, the AI agent followed this workflow. First, he searched for relevant subreddits. Second, find posts containing the keyword AI says idea. Third, analyze and return meaningful results. Fourth, retrieve post comments using the post ID. 5. Conduct an additional search for posts in AI-related subreddits. And 6. Compile key takeaways such as AI-powered tools for content creation and repurposing. The AI agent identify recurring idea, such as using AI to generate social media content, convert YouTube tutorials into interactive courses, and more. Without the well-structured prompt, this result would not have been possible. The formula for an effective prompt is: first, define the AI agent's role and expertise. Example, you are a Reddit search specialist with XYZ. Second, set the context and environment. And third, specify the task or goal. Fourth, outline workflow instruction. 5, define the tools. Remember, when you define the tools, you need to explain what each tool does, when to use, and what it returns. 2. Specify how the agent should combine multiple tools. Third, provide examples as AI agents perform better when given clear references. After you define the tools, you need to set constraints and success criteria. By defining the conditions for a successful outcome. By structuring the prompt this way, we can significantly improve the AI agent's performance. For the last advice, the best AI model for generating prompts is Claude from Anthropic. Simply prompt Claude to enhance your draft prompt or create a new one based on the previous formula. And be sure to provide it with tool code definition to ensure the best results. That is all for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.